Welcome to bestforyourbuck.com. Today we're going to be talking about the best 4K monitors available on the market. It doesn't matter if you're looking for the best available display for playing video games, working, or doing something creative such as graphic design or video editing. At the end of the day, the monitor you pick out is a big decision. In 2020, 4K is a must, regardless of what you're using your computer for. But the market continues to grow, meaning it can be tough to pick out the best one for your needs. From graphics to color accuracy to how the hardware is designed, there are a lot of things to factor in when buying a 4K monitor. That's why we're here for you. We've put together a list of the top 5 best 4K monitors. We've created this list using our research and personal opinions, based on a number of important variables, including quality, price, and performance. If you're interested in purchasing one of these products, please check out the description of this video or the comment we have pinned below, where you'll find links to each product. And if you're interested in more high-quality product reviews, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments section which of our picks you think is the best 4K monitor. Starting out our list is the amazing LG 34WK95u. The LG 34WK95u was made for professionals who need a lot of room for heavy detail projects, or gamers who want that extra wide screen. If you want a monitor with a larger display room for multitasking, consider this amazing LG monitor. The LG 34WK95u is technically a 5K monitor, meaning it can get a resolution of 5120 by 2160. This is perfect if you have especially high standards for graphics and need a huge display that can show as many details as possible. The monitor has a refresh rate of 60 Hz, a fast response time, and a nano IPS panel for improved color accuracy. The connecting ports are remarkable, including Thunderbolt 3, USB-A upstream and downstream, USB-C, 2 HDMIs, and DisplayPort. This monitor has it all, but you'll need the extra desk space to accommodate it. Totally worth it though, given how great the quality of this monitor is. It has a decent HDR peak brightness, which is great for most HDR games, but perhaps not quite enough to deliver the best when it comes to HDR movies. However, it has great SDR peak brightness and will do great in a lighted office. The gray uniformity of the LG 34WK95u is exceptional. There is no visible dirty screen effect, which is another example of its high quality. With its powerful image quality, with lively colors, in-depth details, and extensive screen space, the LG 34WK95u is the dream of every content creator, as long as they have a compatible and powerful enough device. Moving on, we have the Benq Pd3200u. The Benq Pd3200u is a classic example of a pro-grade monitor, a strong choice with a large 32 inches and a wonderful 4K display. The Benq Pd3200u stands out from the other 4K monitors because of its great performance and image quality. It has a normal look when you first get it out of the box. It's quite massive, but it isn't dramatic or all that stylish. It's black and dark gray with a matte display panel. It is simple, straightforward, and highly functional. There aren't too many needless fancy elements, but it sure does look professional and is perfect for your office monitor. The Benq Pd3200u's port layout is great. It consists of a single HDMI 2.0 port and 2 display 1.2 ports on the right-hand side. They are easily accessible. Just beneath the HDMI and display ports, you will find 2 USB-A ports, SD card slot, and a headphone jack. On the monitor's lower chin, there is another set of ports consisting of 2 more USB-A ports, 2 USB-B ports, and a micro USB slot. The Benq Pd3200u's come with on-screen controls that light up immediately when you touch the little LED touchpads sitting in the down right corner of the monitor. The menus are very clear and easy to navigate. The touch buttons are highly responsive and located where you can have easy access to them. The monitor also comes with a KVM, keyboard video mouse switch, which allows you to connect to another second PC and switch between the two while using just a single monitor, keyboard, and mouse. It is productivity inclined. You can use multiple machines and keep your desk neat by using the Benq Pd3200u, since there is no need for any secondary monitors, keyboards, or mice. The Benq Pd3200u can't be categorized as a budget monitor, but with a killer 4K performance and its color accuracy, it offers a lot for the price tag. If you're a professional looking for a display designed for creative use, consider using the Benq Pd3200u. Next on our list is the Dell UltraSharp U2715q. The Dell UltraSharp U2715q is a top-quality 27-inch 4K monitor, which is often used for color editing. However, its great input lag and response time makes it a gaming monitor as well. With a solid build quality and presentation, the ultra-sharp U2718q is a great choice. Its dimensions measure 24.07 by 7.89 by 21.27 inches. It also comes with a stand, whose two parts fasten securely to the VESA mount without the need for any tools. Its weight is 6.23 kilograms, and its fine blend of grays and black give it that professional look. Dell Ultra features height adjustment, swivel, tilt, and pivot, which makes placement very easy. It also includes ultra-thin infinity edge bezels. It doesn't come with any internal speakers, but its connectivity is top-notch, including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.2, Mini DisplayPort 1.2, and audio out, as well as an integrated USB 3.0 Type-A hub, with two of its 4 ports handily located along the left edge. It comes with an integrated power supply, meaning there's no need for an external brick. The controls are excellent as well, consisting of 4 tactile buttons and a power switch. It is quite easy to navigate the menus. If you do a little printing work, the 99.9% sRBG coverage is enough. The screen is also very sharp. It is uniformed and has no visible backlight bleed. Moving on, we have the Acer Predator Xb3. If you're in search of a top 4K gaming monitor, look no further. The Acer Predator Xb3 is likely your best bet. Though it is expensive, rest assured that it is worth it. It is truly impressive, with features including sporting G-Sync, HDR, and a refresh rate that can get to 144 Hz if set up the right way. When we talk about aesthetics, the Acer Predator isn't one that would leave you speechless at first sight, but in regards to functionality, it is the real deal. The Acer Predator Xb3 comes with fully configurable LED mood lights adorned along its lower surface. These strips of light can be set to pulsate, move side to side, or remain solid in 6 different colors. It is a prominent feature in the Predator monitor brand. The back of this monitor features 2 4-watt speakers, which are perfect for your gaming experience. Performance-wise, the Xb3 has a response time of 4 milliseconds and an overclocked refresh rate of 144 Hz. With this, you needn't worry about tearing effects and motion blur. The screen has G-Sync technology that allows synchronization of frames generated by NVIDIA video cards with monitor updates. This is a monitor designed for the future. The desktop experience is out of this world, and with a single RTX 2080 Ti, you can get to 100 frames per second. There are a limited number of ports on the Acer Xb3 when compared to other gaming monitors. They include one DisplayPort 1.4b, one HDMI 2.0 port, one 3.5mm headphone jack, and 2 USB 3.0 downstream ports. Admittedly, the Acer Xb3 is quite expensive for most gamers, but if you can afford it, you'll be getting the highest quality available. It is a fantastic piece that you will enjoy in years to come. And our final spot goes to Dell P2715q. Dell is known for its quality 4K monitors, and the P2715q is another addition to their UHD 4K series. This monitor offers the best 4K features at its price, with sophisticated features including high-end aspect ratios and IPS technology. The Dell P2715q will give you that pro-quality performance that you desire. Let's have a look at the reasons why we picked this monitor as our number 1. The Dell P2715q is an excellent 27-inch monitor that boasts of an intuitive touchscreen interface and has an ergonomic stand that allows you to work efficiently and comfortably. With a pixel rating of 3840 by 2160 resolution and a display with a very high color accuracy and deep blacks. With a 100% sRGB spectrum, this monitor is the king of the Ultra HD world. The monitor can be adjusted and tilted in different angles, just the way you like it. There's also an opening at the base that is designed for easier cable management. It also has very rich connectivity options, including HDMI with MHL support, DisplayPort HDCP 1.4, Mini DisplayPort, 4 USB-A 3.0 downstream ports, 1 USB upstream port, and a headphone jack. The The gaming capability of Dell P2715q is quite impressive. It delivers incredible picture quality. The only downside is that the FPS rating was not able to follow the game card response when it's used to play action games that required fast frame rendering. Overall, the Dell P2715q offers incredible performance and is much more affordable than many of its competitors. There is no compromise for quality if you decide to buy a Dell P2715q. You will get quality performance for image and videos as well as gaming. And that's our list of the top 5 best 4K monitors of 2020. Let us know in the comments section which monitor you think is the best and which of the models you'd like to use. And for more awesome product reviews, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching!